So the cat had a hairball, the spaghetti didn't agree with the dog, and you run there screaming because it's a mess. I've been there and done that, and this is one of my best tips, believe me. What you want to do is just simply take baking soda. Put a nice heavy coat over that accident. Cover it well with the baking soda. Then walk away for 24 hours. Let that baking soda absorb everything. It will pull it away from the carpet. When you come back, you can take your putty knife or a dull straight edge and just pick everything up that you can. And then you're going to take your vacuum cleaner and just simply suck up everything else. And you may not even have to clean it when you're done. If you do, use your favorite carpet spotter. But you'll never scream again when you hear that hack, hack, hack from your cat. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter. And thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.